You've spent your hard-earned money on that beautiful Audi sitting in your driveway. But here's what the dealership didn't tell you. Most Audis don't make it past 150,000 miles because of preventable mistakes their owners make every single day. Today, I'm revealing the 17 insider habits that separate Audi owners who drive their cars for 500,000 plus miles from those who end up with expensive paperweights in their garage. And stick around because habit number 4 could save you from a catastrophic transmission failure that costs over $6,000. Let's kick things off. Habit number 17, throw out the factory oil change schedule. If you're following Audi's recommended oil change interval, you're already gambling with your engine's life. That 10,000 mile or once a year recommendation isn't built for engine longevity, it's built to make the car look low maintenance on paper, so it's easier to sell. Here's the brutal truth. Audi engines run extremely hot and have tight tolerances that break down oil faster than the manufacturer admits. Cars that follow 5,000 to 7,500 mile oil changes regularly hit 250,000 plus miles without major engine work. The longer intervals cause oil breakdown, sludge formation, and variable valve timing system failures that'll cost you thousands. For your Audi, change the oil every 5,000 miles if you're over 70,000 total miles. If you're under that, every 7,500 miles is acceptable. And if you drive a performance model like an S or RS, stick to 5,000 miles regardless of total mileage. Check your oil level monthly between changes because some early 2.0 TFSI engines are notorious for oil consumption. Use only high-quality synthetic oil and always replace the filter at the same time. No exceptions. But here's the thing, even perfect oil won't save you if you're using the wrong specification, which brings us to the next critical habit. Habit number 16. Use only Audi-approved fluid specifications. Using the wrong engine oil specification is the fastest way to destroy your Audi engine, even if you change it every 3,000 miles religiously. Your Audi requires specific engine oil that meets VW502.00 or VW504.00 specifications. These aren't just random numbers printed on the bottle. They represent specific viscosity requirements and detergent packages designed for aluminum construction and tight tolerances. Generic oil, even expensive synthetic brands, lacks these critical additives and causes accelerated wear patterns. The same goes for every other fluid in your car. Coolant must be G12 or G13, which is that pink or light purple color you see. Never mix coolant types because each has a different boiling point, and mixing them creates pressure irregularities that can rupture weak parts. If your Audi uses power steering fluid, it probably uses CHF11S, which is a mineral-based hydraulic fluid, not a typical ATF-type fluid. For your transmission, the fluid type depends on your specific model and year, but it must match Audi's exact specification. Using the wrong transmission fluid can cause immediate failure. The cost difference is about $20 per oil change, but the repair savings amount to thousands over your car's lifetime. And speaking of savings, there's a $100 part that prevents $8,000 engine damage. But most Audi owners never replace it. Habit number 15. Replace your PCV valve every 60,000 miles. The positive crankcase ventilation valve is a $100 part that most people have never heard of. But when it fails, it creates a disaster inside your engine. This valve controls internal engine pressure and prevents oil leaks throughout the entire engine. When PCV valves fail, excessive pressure builds up inside the engine, blowing out gaskets and seals everywhere. You'll see oil leaking from the valve cover, oil pan, rear main seal, and basically every seal on the engine. Here's how to check yours right now. Remove the oil cap while the engine is running at idle. If you feel strong suction, your PCV is working correctly. If you feel pressure pushing out or no suction at all, it's failed and it's destroying your engine seals as we speak. While there is no specific interval, to be on the safer side, replace it every 60,000 miles preventively, and your Audi will reward you with leak-free operation for life. A tip is to replace the PCV when you are already changing the spark plugs to save on labor costs. Now, while we're talking about preventing expensive failures, there's one system in your Audi that's designed to fail catastrophically, and most owners don't catch it in time. Habit number 14, proactive cooling system replacement at 80,000 miles. Audi cooling systems are engineered with plastic components that unfortunately become brittle over time. The water pump, thermostat housing, and expansion tank typically fail between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. And when they fail, they don't give you much warning. Here's what happens. A small crack develops in the expansion tank or thermostat housing. Coolant level drops gradually, but your temperature gauge reads normal because there's enough coolant to fool the sensor. Then catastrophic failure occurs without warning. The engine overheats in minutes. Aluminum cylinder heads warp from thermal stress. Head gaskets blow from pressure differentials. In the worst cases, the engine block cracks, requiring complete engine replacement. The secret is replacing the entire system as a unit at 80,000 miles before failure occurs. Replace the water pump, thermostat, expansion tank, and upper and lower hoses together. This preventive service gives you a good chance of reaching 200,000 plus miles without major engine problems. Use only genuine Audi G13 coolant, never tap water or universal coolant. And here's something that'll blow your mind. There's a way to get thousands of dollars in free repairs that Audi doesn't actively tell you about. Habit number 13. Check for hidden recalls and service bulletins. Audi issues dozens of hidden recalls and service bulletins that can get you free repairs worth thousands of dollars, but they don't actively notify owners about these programs. There are over 200 active bulletins covering everything from engine problems to electrical issues. Many of these bulletins extend warranties or provide free repairs for known defects, but you have to know they exist to benefit from them. Here's how to find yours. Go to the NHTSA website and enter your VIN number to check for recalls. Then search for manufacturer service bulletins using your model year and engine code. And there could be thousands of repairs covered for free, but only if you know about it and request the coverage from your dealer. Do your research and save thousands. But even with free repairs, there's one maintenance schedule that'll make or break your Audi's longevity. Habit number 12. Follow severe service schedule, not normal. Audi has two maintenance schedules, and they hide the one that actually keeps cars reliable long term. The normal maintenance schedule is designed for ideal conditions that don't exist in real-world driving. Here's what qualifies as severe service, and this applies to 90% of owners. Stop-and-go traffic, short trips under 10 miles, dusty conditions, any towing whatsoever. Sound familiar? The severe service schedule calls for oil changes every 5,000 miles instead of 10,000. Air filters every 15,000 miles instead of 30,000. Spark plugs every 60,000 miles instead of 100,000. Following the severe service schedule reduces problems significantly over 150,000 miles. The extra maintenance costs about $200 per year but saves thousands in repair bills. Most Audi owners unknowingly need severe service maintenance but follow normal schedules and wonder why their cars break down constantly. And speaking of things that break down, there's one fluid that Audi calls lifetime that's actually destroying your transmission right now. Habit number 11, change DSG transmission fluid every 40,000 miles. Audi's lifetime transmission fluid claim is one of the biggest lies in automotive history. Waiting for your transmission to slip before changing the fluid is like waiting for chest pain before cutting back on fried food. It's too late. The fluid still looks red and smells okay, but deep inside, it's loaded with friction dust and metal shavings. It's no longer protecting your transmission. It's grinding it. Once the slipping starts, you're looking at thousands in repair bills, and for DSG and S-tronic transmissions, drain and fill every 40,000 miles. Always use genuine Audi transmission fluid, not cheap universal stuff, nor fluids from other vehicle manufacturers. If your gear shifts feel off, don't wait. Fix the fluid now because next time it might not shift at all. Now, while your transmission is grinding itself to death with old fluid, there's another system quietly building up deposits that'll choke your engine. Habit number 10, defeat carbon buildup on direct injection engines. If you own an Audi with a direct injection engine, which is most models from 2009 onward, watch for carbon buildup. Unlike port injection engines that wash the intake valves with fuel, direct injection leaves them vulnerable to oil vapor deposits. The symptoms start subtle: rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, decreased fuel economy. By 60,000 miles, you might notice misfires or check engine lights. Ignore this and you're looking at damaged valves, destroyed catalytic converters, and repair bills exceeding thousands of dollars. The secret is proactive walnut shell blasting every 60,000 to 80,000 miles. This process uses crushed walnut shells to gently remove carbon deposits without damaging the aluminum intake ports. It typically costs $400 to $600, but it prevents thousands in engine damage. Between cleanings, use top-tier fuel exclusively. Top-tier fuel contains extra detergents that keep injectors clean and prevent carbon buildup. And speaking of fuel, feeding your Audi the wrong octane is slowly destroying your turbocharger. Habit number 9, feed it premium top-tier fuel only. Your Audi's high-compression turbocharged engine was designed for premium fuel. Using regular unleaded isn't saving you money. It's costing you performance, efficiency, and engine life. Premium fuel burns cleaner and more efficiently in high-compression engines. It prevents knock and pre-ignition that can damage pistons and valves. But not all premium fuel is created equal. You need top-tier fuel, which is certified to contain extra detergents and additives. Avoid no-name stations and big-box retailers where fuel quality varies wildly from delivery to delivery. Replace your fuel filter every 40,000 miles. The filter protects your high-pressure fuel pump from contamination. When it clogs, your fuel pump works harder and fails earlier. A clogged fuel filter can make your engine consume 20% more fuel and cause unnecessary wear on pistons, valves, and the catalytic converter. Run a quality fuel system cleaner like Liquimoli Jectron every 10,000 miles to maintain injector cleanliness. Now, even with perfect fuel, there's one habit that'll destroy your turbocharger faster than anything else. Habit number 8, turbo care, avoid hot shutdowns. Audi's turbocharged engines deliver incredible performance, but the turbocharger is also the most expensive single component to replace. We're talking $3,000 to $5,000 including labor. The biggest turbo killer is heat soak from immediate shutdown after hard driving. When you shut off the engine, oil circulation stops, but the turbocharger continues spinning and generating heat. This cooks the oil in the turbo's bearing housing, creating carbon deposits that eventually destroy the bearings. Here's the insider secret. Always allow a 2 to 3 minute cooldown period after highway driving or spirited acceleration before shutting off the engine. The easiest way is to go easy on the drive for the last 5 minutes of your trip. This allows the turbo to slow down and oil to circulate, preventing heat damage. Use only synthetic oil meeting Audi specifications and change it religiously every 5,000 miles. Replace the air filter every 20,000 miles because a dirty filter forces the turbo to work harder and can allow debris into the compressor housing. These simple habits can extend turbo life from 120,000 miles to well over 200,000 miles. And while we're protecting expensive components, there's a $20 part that most people ignore until it costs them thousands. Habit number 7, replace spark plugs every 60,000 miles. Worn spark plugs kill engines, and it starts with a weak spark. Then comes poor combustion, misfires, and raw fuel frying your catalytic converter. Most plugs rated for 100,000 miles don't make it past 60,000, especially in turbo engines or direct injection setups where carbon buildup is worse. Some even need replacement at 40,000 miles, so check your model's recommendation. Short trips, stop-and-go traffic, and cheap gas make it even worse. For your Audi, stick with top-tier plugs. NGK Iridium 9 or Laser Iridium work best for most models. Denso Iridium TT is perfect for hybrids and certain imports. Bosch Double Iridium is a strong choice for European vehicles. Check your plugs for signs of oil or coolant. If the tip's wet or crusted, it's not just a plug problem, it's a leak that needs immediate attention. Now, there's another system that needs attention, and ignoring it will leave you stranded on the side of the road. Habit number 6, brake system maintenance every 2 years. Your brake fluid is hygroscopic, which means it absorbs water slowly and quietly every year. After 7 to 10 years, it can soak up enough moisture to drop its boiling point by over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Fresh .4 brake fluid boils around 446 degrees, but once it absorbs moisture, that number can fall to 280 degrees or less. That's low enough to boil during heavy braking, especially on mountain roads or during emergency stops. When it boils, air bubbles form. You get a soft pedal and no stopping power. That's not just dangerous, it's a deal breaker for high mileage survival. Buy a $20 brake fluid tester. Dip it in, press a button. If it reads over 3% moisture, flush the system immediately. Flush your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years regardless of mileage. Inspect brake pads and rotors frequently, and don't wait for squealing to replace them. Worn pads damage rotors, turning a $200 pad replacement into a $600 pad and rotor job. And while we're talking about wheels, there's a simple habit that'll double your tire life and protect your suspension. Habit number 5, tire rotation and alignment every 7,500 miles. Tires don't wear evenly, especially on Quattro all-wheel drive Audis. Front tires handle steering, acceleration, and most of the braking. They wear out nearly twice as fast as the rears. Let them go too long without rotation, and you'll get cupping, feathering, and uneven tread wear. This leads to vibration, alignment issues, and even blown shocks or struts over time. Rotate your tires every 7,500 miles or at every other oil change. It takes about 30 minutes and can literally double your tire life. A good set of tires costs $600 to $1,200. Rotate regularly and you might not need new tires for 70,000 plus miles. Don't rotate and you're lucky to hit 35,000 before the fronts are toast. Check your alignment every 10,000 to 15,000 miles or after hitting any significant pothole. Maintain proper tire pressure according to the sticker on your driver's side door jamb, not the number on the tire sidewall. That sidewall number is the maximum pressure, not the recommended pressure for your car. Uneven tires put extra strain on tie rods, ball joints, and bushings, leading to early suspension failure. And speaking of all-wheel drive systems, there's a fluid most people forget that'll destroy your differential. Habit number 4, change differential and transfer case fluid. The differential and transfer case are the most forgotten parts of your Audi, and some of the most abused. The differential lets your wheels spin at different speeds in corners. The The transfer case splits power between front and rear axles in your Quattro system. They both use heavy gear oil to stay cool and protected under pressure. Over time, that oil breaks down, picks up metal shavings, and turns into sludge. Owners report differentials whine for months before they lock up completely. At that point, it's game over and the bill's massive. Change differential and transfer case fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles if you tow, go off-road, or use all-wheel drive often, but do check your specific model requirements. Warm the car up with a short drive to thin the fluid. Remove the fill plug first, then the drain plug. Let it all drain out and wipe off the magnetic tip. Refill with the exact specification gear oil recommended in your owner's manual. No substitutes. Fill until it just starts to drip out of the fill hole. Forget this service and you'll be paying for a tow, not just an oil change. Now, there's one more electrical component that can bankrupt your Audi ownership if you ignore it. Habit number 3. Battery and electrical system care. A failing battery doesn't just leave you stranded, it sends voltage fluctuations throughout your entire electrical system that can damage expensive control modules. A failing alternator can cook your battery and send power spikes that destroy the MMI system, adaptive headlight modules, or even the engine control unit. I've seen $8,000 repair bills traced back to a $200 battery that wasn't replaced in time. Replace your battery every 4 to 5 years, regardless of whether it's showing symptoms. Always use an AGM battery meeting Audi's specifications. Have your charging system tested annually, checking not just voltage output but also ripple patterns that indicate alternator problems. When replacing the battery, always register it with the vehicle's electrical system using VCDS or similar diagnostic tools. This tells the alternator how to properly charge the new battery. Clean battery terminals every few months. That green-white corrosion blocks current, strains the alternator, and messes with sensors. Mix baking soda and warm water, scrub the terminals with an old toothbrush, rinse with clean water, dry it off, then coat the terminals with dielectric grease to prevent future buildup. Keep your MMI and ECU software updated to squash phantom faults and improve system performance. And here's something most people never think about. Your sunroof is quietly destroying your interior. Habit number 2, clean sunroof drains annually. This sounds minor, but sunroof drain clogs cause thousands of dollars in water damage. Your sunroof wasn't designed to be completely waterproof, and there are tracks within the frame allowing excess water to travel to the front and rear drains. If you park outside, especially under trees, debris clogs these drains. When they clog, water backs up and floods into your car's interior. We're not just talking about water on the floorboards. You can have water in the electrical and mechanical systems inside your cabin. Water damages control modules, corrodes wiring harnesses, and ruins electronics. Clean your sunroof drains every spring before the rainy season. If your car is garage kept, every 2 to 3 years is sufficient. Use compressed air or a flexible trimmer line to clear the drain tubes. Never use metal objects that can puncture the tubes. 1 hour once a year can save you thousands in water damage repairs. Now here's the ultimate habit that separates Audi owners who reach 500,000 miles from those who give up at 150,000. Habit number 1. Think like a German engineer, not an owner. The ultimate secret that separates Audis lasting forever from those dying young is mindset. You must think like a German engineer who designed these cars as precision machines, not like a typical owner who defers maintenance and cuts corners. These vehicles are designed to reward meticulous maintenance and punish neglect. They're not Toyotas that tolerate abuse. They're German engineering that demands respect and proper care. Here's the engineer mindset that makes Audi cars last 500,000 plus miles. Maintenance is investment, not expense. Prevention is always cheaper than repair. Quality parts and fluids are non-negotiable. Documentation and records are critical for warranty claims and resale value. Small problems become big problems if ignored. The proof exists in German taxi fleets with 500,000 plus miles on original engines and transmissions. The difference between these high-mileage Audis and failed ones isn't luck. It's following engineering principles rather than owner convenience. An Audi owner spending $2,000 per year on preventive maintenance will spend $20,000 over 10 years. An owner who defers maintenance will spend $40,000 plus in repairs over the same period, plus deal with constant breakdowns and unreliability. Following the engineer mindset reduces repair costs by 60% over the vehicle's lifetime. The engineering is there for 500,000-mile reliability. You just have to respect it. These 17 habits separate Audi ownership dreams from financial nightmares. The secret formula for Audi longevity combines proactive maintenance, quality fluids, specialist knowledge, and an engineering mindset that treats maintenance as investment. Audis maintained using these habits have a 90% chance of reaching 200,000 plus miles without major engine or transmission problems. This is Tom from Seats and Wheels. Thanks for watching.